Here is Thailand's coastal city of Pattaya, also a famous tourist site in the country. Pattaya is encouraging tourists to go fly a kite during Songkran with a 10-day beach festival. Let's take a look. Starting from April 9th, Pattaya Kites on the Beach 2021 will last to April 19th. The highlight of the event is the largest bow kite ever made, a 35-meter-long whale kite certified by the Guinness Book of World Records. Also lighting up the sky are giant bears, dragons, and kites adorned with LED lights. Children can also join kite-making workshops to make themselves a souvenir of their special day. The Kite Festival will also feature traditional Songkran rides, although water splashing activities are banned this year in line with COVID-19 restrictions.